What's up, everybody? It's Katie Austin here, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I have a really easy one-pan pasta dinner for you guys. I've been doing a lot of cooking with one pan lately because when I've been doing my meals, and a lot of you guys say, just takes a lot of dishes. And my boyfriend especially is doing the dishes after I cook a meal, and he's like, Katie, do you really need like 7 bowls and like 3 pots in a pan? So what we're gonna do here is do one pan and make it easy for everybody. This is packed with good protein, good vegetables, and it's super hearty that the entire family will love no matter what age. So here's what you'll need. Some uncooked pasta. I am using fusilli, which I think is the best because it holds all the good flavor around it rather than like penne. You know how it's like, twisty, so it has all those little crevices to get all the good taste in. Chicken broth, you guys can also use water, but chicken broth has great flavoring for this. Olive oil, butter, broccoli, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, mushrooms, onion, chicken sausage, or whatever sausage y'all want, and garlic. I'm gonna put some other seasonings in there as well, but these are the main character ingredients. So we're gonna start. Also, I really want to bring you guys more one-pan recipes because honestly, they're just so easy for just throwing everything in a pan and making sure that, it's less cleanup and less time. By the way, this is a saute pan that I'm absolutely obsessed with and I highly encourage you guys to get. It's the Ninja. I feel like I'm using a lot of Ninja products lately, but it's the Ninja. I actually got it from Kohl's, and what it is, it's amazing for a saute pan. Why I love it is because it doubles as a cast iron, so I can put it into the oven. So, this is not highly necessary for this recipe to have a saute pan that doubles as a cast iron, but if you guys do want to use a cast iron skillet for this, I highly recommend it. So easy to cut a head of broccoli. Look how fast that was. Literally just cut the head off just like that. And then I'm just gonna take my hands and pull apart because I actually really like when there's a little bit of stem in it. It actually holds a lot of nutrients. I like the broccoli in this pasta a little bit smaller than normal, to be honest, because I want to enjoy, the pasta as is. And you see how small those broccoli pieces are right there? That's how I like it. Then I'm going to just finally dice up some of these mushrooms. And just a quick side note here, this pasta would really be good with so many different vegetables. If you guys have zucchini at home, if you have squash, if you have tomatoes, spinach, you guys can really throw in any kind of vegetable you guys want. Then I'm doing a little bit of onion. I just love finely diced onion in a pasta with garlic and Parmesan and butter. It just tastes so good. Also, quick side note, I feel like a white onion would be better in this, but I only have a red onion. But it's good coloring. All right, so I used 1/4 of an onion. Perfect. Then I'm gonna do 2 to 3 garlic cloves, and I'm just gonna finely dice them up. Honestly, there's such a big difference to me from minced garlic that you buy from the store and freshly chopped garlic. And there we go, I'm starting to cry because the residue from the onion is still on the cutting board. Oh my God, tears are streaming down my face. All right, well, good thing we are done with cutting, and I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil in the pan, mix it on up, and saute. All right, now for seasoning, as it's sauteing, I'm doing an Italian seasoning blend. I love a lot of seasoning, so I do a lot, but do it to your taste, your liking. I'm doing a little bit of sea salts, and then for me personally, I love garlic so freaking much. I know I put fresh garlic in there, but I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic powder as well. And what you wanna do is really just saute this for, I would say, 5 to 6, 7 minutes on medium in a little olive oil. And it looks honestly ready to go. So I am going to throw in the pasta and the chicken broth. Make sure it's off of the medium because as you throw in this chicken broth, it might heat up. Watch this. So chicken broth, perfect. So make sure that it's all evenly spread throughout. It's on simmer, and then you are just going to cover. You wanna make sure every I would say 4 or 5 minutes or so, you're uncovering it, you're stirring to make sure all the pasta is getting covered and is soaking up that water. So every few minutes, just make sure you're checking on it and stirring it. Oh, look how good that looks. Wow. As you can see, there's still a little bit of water in there, which we want. The pasta is almost done. It's a little too al dente right now, which we want. We're gonna throw in 2 tablespoons of butter. And then we're also gonna throw in a little bit of Parmesan and a little bit of mozzarella. All those Italians out there, did I get it right? Mozzarella. Stir it on up. By the way, a few minutes ago, I turned the oven on to 420 degrees because I am about to put this in the oven as well. I'm gonna cover for about 2 more minutes right there. All right, you guys. I wish you could smell this right here, but I'm sure you can see how amazing it looks. It looks so creamy, so delicious. This step you can actually skip, but this will really just take it to be the most superior one-pan dish pasta ever. So I turn the stove off, and again, my oven's preheated to 420, and I'm gonna top with some more mozzarella, just a little bit, and then some Parmesan. And then I'm gonna throw this in the oven. First off, I mean, wow. The pasta is in the oven for 4 to 5 minutes at 420 degrees, and it's time to take it out. You guys, this might be the best thing I've ever made. I wish y'all could smell it. Oh my goodness. Look at the cheese, just nice and melted, that mozzarella, the Parmesan, the butter, it smells so freaking good. I'm gonna top it off with a little bit of red pepper flakes right here. I mean, hold on, I'm gonna take a photo of this because this can't go unnoticed. Phone eats first. Wow. Top with a little bit of fresh basil. And this kind of reminds me in a weird way of like a hamburger helper. I don't know why, it has nothing to do with hamburger helper or the ingredients of it, but at the same time, it reminds me of it. So this is the perfect thing to either meal prep, cook for your entire family. I feel like this serves about like, I would say 3 to 4 people. You could even do 5 people if you're making an amazing side salad as well. But seriously, you guys, this took me, I would say 20 minutes from start to finish. Super easy, so good for you, healthy, packed with protein, packed with good vegetables, and absolutely incredible. I mean, look at just like that one bite of pasta. All right, time to taste test. Y'all have to try this. This is like the most insane dish ever. Wow, I think this is my best work. Phenomenal, truly. Again, one pan pasta, super easy cleanup, super easy just in general as well. You just throw everything in. Honestly, this would be a really good dish to make as like a fridge clean out too, if you guys like want to get rid of like a lot of different vegetables that need to be used up and any pasta that you guys have too. Super easy cleanup, one pan pasta meal. Make sure to try it. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Snapchat show as well. Like the video, comment down below what you guys want. I am going to be making a lot more one pan meals, so make sure y'all subscribe. Bye guys.